Hi guys, welcome back. We're here at Gingium's. There's a shop right here. Pretty awesome.
We got some issues we want to address that you guys have pointed out. One of them being our little wheels. Another one being our rear diff. It's a one wheel peel. The Wheel of Fortune, one wheel wonder. Uno of Destiny, the Vanna White, Lonely Rotator, one side merry-go-round, single smoker, Impotent Orbiter, and my favorite, this single spinner. Alright guys, so first thing we want to get off of these wheels so Caleb can get to that axle, but also because we want to replace these crappy, tiny wheels that you guys keep complaining of.
We've gotten a few complaints about them. I don't know what's not to like, except for the fact that there's absolutely no tread on them. What do you think? What do you think?
So good, man.
No, not so.
That's awesome. Happy Halloween.
Looks like you're trying to get that pin out. Is that right, Caleb?
Yeah, so this big pin right here has to slide out so that you can push the axles forward, so that you can get the C-clips out of the axle, so that you can take out the axle, so that you can take out the tip. In order to do that, you gotta take that bolt out.
It's like a chain reaction, right?
Yeah, but this bolt is, for one, it's an 8mm, so it's small.
Yes.
And it's red Loctite in from the factory.
Oh yeah.
It's snap. Ask me how I know that.
Have you done that before?
Yeah, first time I did it. And drilling that out is very difficult, as you can tell, with all that stuff.
Yeah, right.
So you use some heat, get it nice and hot, and then it is less likely to break. No guarantees. Out with the old and with gold.
So what's the difference between the two?
This just has spider gears. You can spin them individually, right?
Yep.
This has a spring in the middle and then little clutch packs either way. So it can spin a little bit, but it's supposed to kind of try to lock it all together.
Interesting.
I don't exactly know how it works.
I mean, I would assume it would need to spin a little bit, otherwise it'll, when you go around a corner, it would catch.
Yeah, that'd be
right?
like welded diff.
Yeah.
Well, that's like what drift cars have.
Is that what it is?
Yeah,
Really?
welded diff. So yeah, when you go around a corner in that thing, it goes.
It kind of jumps a little bit?
Yep.
See, that makes sense.
According to my senses, that is about the perfect amount of backbone. And you call that your spidey senses because that's the spider gears, right?
Actually.
Oh, yep, and?
It's good. It's good.
All right, send it.
All right, so we are ready to put these wheels on, right?
Yeah,
right, Ryan?
So we want to have the old ones next to it so you guys can clearly see the difference.
Well, there's obviously a difference in height.
Yeah, it's slightly taller.
Yep.
It's about the same width.
I think you guys are gonna really like these rims.
I think it's gonna blow your guys' mind.
Well, my mind is already blown right here.
So because of the hatred for our rims, we decided to go with something slightly different. We really wanted to kind of set this truck off.
I think you guys are gonna really like these. They're pretty amazing.
What do you guys think?
They look exactly the same.
Wait, that one doesn't have the custom silver parts on
These are non-custom. Let us know what you guys think from our old rims to our new ones. We wanted to go a different route, so I think they're gonna pop.
I think they look beautiful. Look at that thing, and they're gigantic.
They're nice and new.
So let's set this sucker up there and see what it looks like.
Don't drop it.
Yeah, please be careful.
They're way better. This was a good decision.
I think it was a great decision. I can't wait to see it. I haven't looked at it yet.
Come look at it.
Oh, bro, it's the rubber all day, son. That is,
Right? Right?
as one great mind once said,
What they say?
these are the Ford Ranger, those are the F-150.
Who said that? Mike did.
Mike, my man Mike. I mean, that's the perfect analysis.
You're not wrong.
No.
No, you're not wrong at all.
Jason, look at that. Would you just look at that? Would you just look at that? Oh my goodness, when I see somebody with these wheels, I just say, would you look at that? Would you just look at that? Yeah! Make you want to slap your mama.
All right, well, we have all the wheels installed. They look amazing. Can I just say that? Amazing.
Yeah, they do.
So we're gonna run it, kind of cycle the fluids in the back, cycle the fluids to the transmission, make sure everything's topped off, and then we're ready to go for a ride.
All right, let's go. All right, guys, we've come to the end. We want to say thank you to Gymnasium for helping us do all the work, basically. You're welcome. If you don't subscribe to his channel, you hate all starving children everywhere.
I don't condone that.
Just assume that.
That's probably smart. Good thinking.
All right, we're gonna head back home, let her rip. So again, thank you, Caleb. Thank you, Custom Offsets. Let's go.
Whoa, don't go anywhere. You gotta click on the link on the top because we have an awesome video over on Gingium's channel of JMR rebuilders riding in the Volvo and Gingium going out in the Jamarodi and taking her for a rip. Don't miss it. Click on the link, guys.